Hi class, welcome to week 3 of our really fast class. We're halfway done already, and in this week we're going to be looking at web-based implementations with C#. We'll start out with some tools that'll help us use these applications and create applications, and then we'll work on our web-based applications. The project this week is a group project. It is open. If you scroll down, you can see all the information about it. Now, some of the other content is not. Remember, in Canvas, you must review all of the material, starting at the overview, going through each individual item to see what content has been made available to you, clicking on Mark Done as required. When you're finished with this first unit, then the second unit will open up. Remember, that's how your course is set up, that I assume you're going through all of the module content. That's why it's all been set up for you. Now, looking at our group project, this is going to be a shipping project. And as we begin the group project, be aware that you have a group database for your group named CIS151 number, where the pound sign is your group number. And you also have a TFS collection. Utilize these resources. Your tables should be created in your group database, not an individual person's database. And your source code should be checked in to your group TFS collection. Again, not an individual person's. If you use TFS from the very beginning, you should have a nice, smooth flow of your project. People can check out things as they're updating them and check them in when they're done, and you guys can merge your changes and make sure that everything works out, kind of like a production team. Now, I'm not going to go over too much for the requirements of the project. That will be left for your group to interpret. To begin, you're going to go to the people link on Canvas and look at your groups, and then you should see an icon showing which group you're actually part of. I, as my test student, am not part of any of them. Now, as a group member, you guys can go to your group homepage and you can create discussions and send messages and create pages and do all sorts of great things. Remember, you also can create tasks and project information in TFS in your container. So you have a lot of different resources available to you. Utilize whichever resources are most reasonable to you and your group. Now, your group should begin preparing for this project right away. If you notice, it's due July 14th, so you have some additional time. I'm sorry, July 24th. I have a date problem. July 24th, so you have a little over a week and a half. Do utilize that time very carefully, because there is a lot of material here for you to learn, as well as meeting with your group, making plans about how you're going to divide up responsibilities and tasks, and be sure to leave time at the end to pull everything together, because you may have to make some final polishing updates and ensure that everything is ready to turn in. The project will only need to be turned in by one person, but all students need to complete the team member review part of the project. Okay, let's have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to help you. Usually if you have a question, somebody else is wondering the same thing, so it can be helpful for everybody. Again, I hope you're enjoying your summer. I know we're working super hard, but it's going to pay off for you in the end. I'm sure. So thank you.